Hi everyone, AI4QT, and today I'm going to be using the Xiegu G1M with my MFJ portable tuner, which is the MFJ, the 971. But a little different with this radio is that I replaced the stock mic with the, the Pacific antenna microphone. Anyway, it shows at the beginning of the video what the information is on this microphone. But the stock mic I didn't like that much, so I went ahead and purchased this, and I had my great brother, W5CYF. By the way, check out his YouTube channel, because this channel that I have is not, I mean, I don't know if I would give a bucket of warm spit for. But anyway, I really do like this microphone, and so anyway, he put it together for me and sent it to me, and I'm real pleased with the way it works. And so let's try to make a contact with the Xiegu G1M radio transceiver.
Portables, mobiles, or portables only. We would like to check in at this time, please. Over.
Good morning, Brother Tim. Kilowatt Bravo 2, Mike Foxtrot Sierra Mobile, Montgomery County. 4J8.
And Tim, please check in. Alpha India 4 Quebec Tango portable, Alabama.
Okay, that was a pileup, and I think I got some of it. Good morning, fellow Tim. KB2MSS Mobile. Got you, sir. Good morning, KB4JH2. I believe that's John. Hope I'm right. Mobile, got you checked in. And AI4QT Portable. Good morning, Will from Alabama. Who did I miss? Over.